Have you ever wondered what happens after smartphones? What if the next big thing isn't another folding phone or a slightly better camera, but a pair of glasses? Well, Snap seems to think that's exactly where we're headed. The company has just unveiled its new consumer AR glasses called Specs, and are going head-to-head with Meta's smart glasses. But here's the big question. Are Snap Specs actually the future, or is Meta still way ahead in this race? Let's talk about it. At first glance, these products might seem similar. They're both glasses packed with technology. But once you look closer, you realize they're built for completely different purposes. Meta's current Ray-Ban smart glasses are designed to be simple and practical. They're great for taking photos, recording videos, listening to music, making calls, and getting AI assistance. They look like regular sunglasses, and that's part of their appeal. You can wear them almost anywhere without attracting too much attention. Snap's new Specs take a very different approach. Instead of acting like a phone accessory, Snap wants these glasses to become the phone itself. The new Specs feature true augmented reality displays that place digital content directly into your field of view. Rather than simply hearing notifications or capturing moments, you can actually interact with virtual objects that appear in the real world around you. Need directions? The route can appear right in front of you. Want to measure furniture? A virtual measuring tape can do it. Need to collaborate with someone? You can open a shared whiteboard floating in your environment. It's a much bigger vision than what Meta is currently offering. Of course, that ambition comes with some trade-offs. Let's talk about the price. Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses are relatively affordable and aimed at mainstream consumers. Snap Specs, on the other hand, cost a staggering $2,195, with a $200 refundable deposit required to reserve a pair. That's a huge difference. For many people, the price alone will make this decision easy. But Specs are also doing a lot more. Unlike Meta's glasses, Snap's device doesn't rely on your smartphone for computing power. Everything happens directly on the glasses themselves. There's no external puck and no phone doing the heavy lifting in your pocket. Snap has also made major improvements compared to its earlier developer versions. The new Specs weigh just 132 grams, down significantly from the previous 226 grams. They come in two different sizes for a better fit and feature electrochromic lenses that automatically darken in sunlight. The glasses also support hand tracking as the primary way to interact with them. Snap says the response time is incredibly fast, with just 7 milliseconds of latency. For comparison, that's even lower than Apple's Vision Pro. Sound impressive, right? Well, not so fast. There are still plenty of unanswered questions. Battery life is estimated at around 4 hours on a single charge. While the charging case adds additional power, it's still far from the all-day experience most people expect from wearable devices. Then there's the software situation. Snap showed off some exciting demos, but the company hasn't revealed exactly which apps will be available at launch. We don't even know if Snapchat itself will be fully integrated into the experience. And that's important because history has shown us that great hardware alone isn't enough. People buy devices because of what they can actually do every day. Meta already has an advantage there. Its glasses are simpler, cheaper, and easier to understand. You know exactly why you'd use them. Snap is asking consumers to believe in a future that hasn't fully arrived yet. Still, there's something exciting about what Snap is trying to build. For years, companies have talked about replacing smartphones. Most have failed to convince us. But Snap's Specs feel like one of the boldest attempts yet to make that future a reality. So, who wins this battle? If you want affordable smart glasses that fit naturally into your daily life right now, Meta still has the edge. But if you're excited about true augmented reality and want a glimpse of what computing could look like 5 or 10 years from now, Snap Specs might be the most interesting glasses we've seen in a long time. The real winner? We probably won't know for a few more years. Because this isn't just a fight between Snap and Meta. It's a fight to decide what comes after the smartphone. And that future may be sitting right in front of our eyes.